In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. So after logging on GitHub, I need to click on this profile icon. Then again, click on profile menu, then profile. Then you can see here are the two repository I already uploaded. So I need to click on just which one I want to delete. Just select one. So I want to delete this one. I already selected. Now I need to click on setting. Then at the last moment, you can see this is a delete option and lots of option available on here. So I need to click on delete this repository and again click on I want to delete this repository. Then I read this understand, then just copy this red, then paste here. This is very big short, then click on delete repositories. Okay, so verify by email. So this GitHub authority sent a email code on my Gmail. I will check, then input. That's it. Okay, I just paste, then verify. It's already deleted. It's easy method. Thanks for watching.